Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH, a YouTube channel where we solve problems on math, causing a variety of topics. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome and do well to subscribe to this channel and recommend this channel to your friends, your, your family and those that you think have the need, to improve their skills in math. So I'm going to turn this up here. So today we have a problem on the board. If you don't mind, do well to pause the equation and come back to the video. So let's quickly understand what problem is this. The first thing is I want to identify what topic this problem is in math. So the question says from the table above, calculate the mean. All right, so the mean, okay, means we want to find the average. So the mean of the score, so we want to find the average score. So with this, we now know that it falls under what? Statistics. So now the question is, how do we solve this? Now, if you remember your mean, if I say the mean of 1 and 2, all we need to do is we have to add them and divide by what? 2, since we have two numbers as frequency, okay? So this will give us 3 over what? 2. That is the basic idea of mean. But we can as well write mean as what? The summation of what? The frequency multiplied by what? The given what? Variables. All this divided by what? Summation of what? The frequency. So this is another expression to use and solve for mean. Alright? So if we want to apply this expression on what we have on the board, okay, now we have the frequency, so this is F1, F2, F3, and F4, okay, and we have X1, X2, X3, and X4. So what all this means is the mean is going to be, okay, I have F1 multiplied by what? F1 will multiply X1 plus F2 multiply X2 plus F3 will multiply X3 plus F4 will multiply X4. So that is what all this means. So summation, you see we are summing them, and at the same time we are multiplying these scores with their frequency. Okay, so all these divide by what? The summation of what? The frequency. So we are going to add all this. So we have it as F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. So that is what this expression means. Okay. So this part represents the what the denominator, and this part represents the numerator. So we are going to now substitute. Okay. So our mean, which is also called the average of the scores, will be what's our F1? Yeah, our F1 is 3 there, so 3 will multiply what 5 because X1 is 5, so plus our F2 is 1, so 1 will multiply what? X2, X2 is what? 8, our F3 is 5 again, will multiply X3 is 3, plus our F4 is 6, now multiply X4 is what? 2. So all these divided by what? The sum of frequency. We are going to sum all these. So I have it as 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. So now let's do the simplification and we'll arrive at our answer to this problem. So we have 3 times 5 we know is what? 15 plus 1 times 8 is what? 8 plus 5 times 3 we know is 15 plus 6 times 2 we know is 12. So all this divide 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So 4 plus 5 we have is 9. So 9 plus 6 we have is what? 15. Alright, so from this, let's see what we have. So to make it simpler, I'm going to add these 2 and I'm going to add these 2. Alright, so 15 plus 15, I know is 30, it's easier for me to add. And 8 plus 12 is 20, which is also easier for me to add. So all that divided by 15. So 30 plus 20, I know is 50, which is easier for me to add, divided by 50. So from this point, you can see that 5 can divide 50 and 50. Why? 5 can divide any number that ends with 0, and 5 can divide any number that ends with 5. Okay? That's the basic principle of divisibility. So 5 into this is 10, and 5 into this is 3. So we have 10 divided by 3. Alright, so the mean to this problem, okay, 10 over 3, we will know using proper fraction. We can write it in mixed as 3 whole number 1 over 3, okay, because 3 can go into 10 3 times, which is 9 plus 1, that's giving us 10, or this is 3 points. Now 1 over 3 in decimal means 0.3333 to infinity. So we can put a dot here just to end it. So the value to this problem is this or this. Guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel and send this video to somebody in your help. I'll see you guys